Alright guys, DIY Raymond here for the video. Now I just wanted to set that up real quick now. Pull this out. Now, some people got jacks like this and everything. I got where you got the little hole right here. You gotta attach something like this in there. And it's just not fun. You know, you just sit there, you gotta move it around. Sometimes the stuff falls out, but I'm gonna show you a trick. You take this right here, it's a 15/16. I don't know if you can see it or not really. You got the sun. But anyway, so the 15/16 impact socket. You stick it right on there and it'll hold. Now what you do, you get your impact driver. Huh? I was just doing my DIY videos. What you doing? Love you. Love you too. Sorry y'all, that was my wife. I was gonna pause the video, but you know, make sure to let y'all know we're live, you know, doing these things. You know, interruptions happen. I can't get the perfect video all the time, but you know, I love my wife. So anyways, I'll show y'all a couple things now. If you don't, yes? Yeah. What's up?
I was about to see if you wanted to take us to get some water balloons.
I can.
Okay.
But in a minute. Okay. That's my daughter. She wants me to take her to the store, get some water balloons here a little bit. And no, I'm not editing this out either. It's going to be in the video on YouTube. But if you don't have an impact driver, you could also get your 1/2-inch drive socket wrench. You know, of course you'd want to have a longer one for what you do, and you just put it in there and you just, you know, turn all that stuff. Or you got something like this. This here is old here. This is probably about this Craftsman back in the original Craftsman days. But this right here is somewhere in the 90s. This 2019 right now. This is from the 90s and it holds up good. It's like a breaker bar, but you got that right there. It moves whichever way you want it to go, so that's cool. But you know, can't go wrong with that. But I'm gonna do this with the impact. I haven't done this yet, so we'll be seeing this together live on here. Set this down real quick. Now all I'm doing, I'm just making sure you got it set up right, ready to go. And it is. So take this off. Now this battery, it's not a fully charged battery. I'm not sure exactly where it's at. But that's down, so I want to go up. Okay. And it's going up too. Let's do it with my other hand. As you can see, it raised it up. It's not all the way off the ground, but it's definitely been raised up, elevated. So let you know you can do it with that, and it saves a lot more time. Let's see if we can get all the way off the ground. So there you have it. And that's that one there. And the next one is just the standard one right here. You got the little bolt on there. So for that one there, at least on mine anyways, you can take you a 19 millimeter socket. I just happen to have a deep socket. Same thing, you just put it on there and let it rip, which some of y'all saw that in my other video I did when I raised my lawnmower to change my blades out. But you know, it does it. This right here is the Ryobi brush version. It's the P235. So you can find it in there. Yeah, right there. There we go. That's the impact driver. But this right here is also on the 1.5 amp hour, 1.3 amp hour, 1.3 amp hour battery. So, and like I said, it's not a fully charged battery. I'm looking to get in the 6 amp hour high capacity battery. Seen a few sales on it. You can catch my eBay also, but not too bad. All right, y'all have a blessed day. And like and subscribe to the channel, and also share the channel and share the videos I have on here. Leave your comments on there, and y'all just have a blessed day. If y'all know of anything else, let me know too. Bye.